Now, let us see the next one. So here we have an aldehyde, and the name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. So this is acetaldehyde. Now, using this homolog, we'll write the other names. So here the first one, we can see that we have this acetaldehyde present over here. So the name of this becomes methyl acetaldehyde. So we can write this as methyl methyl because the connecting group here is CH3. Next, if we look at over here also, we have got this particular CH double bond, CH double bond over here, and therefore we call this, now this group is attached to one methyl, and then we have an isopropyl over here. So this is known as I comes before M, so iso comes first, so isopropyl, methyl, and then we have acetaldehyde. Next, let us look at the acid. So over here, the acid that we have taken initially is this is called acetic acid with two carbons and IC acid for COOH group. Now, first one, if we can see that we have this present over here and this is connected to methyl and ethyl. So the name of this acetic acid becomes now, this is known as ethyl methyl acetic acid. What is it called? Ethyl methyl acetic acid. Coming on to the next one. So here we have the group that we want, that is CH, COOH, and here the name of this will be, so 3 chloro are present, so becomes trichloro. Then we have acetic acid. So trichloroacetic acid is the name of this compound. Okay, now for the next one, here we have lastly a ketone, and the ketone that we are using as a homolog over here is acetone. So here we can see that acetone is present over here, and this is connected to CH3 on one side and CH2, CH3 on the other. So one side it is connected to ethyl and one side it is connected to methyl. So the name of this compound we can say is ethyl methyl acetone. So it is called ethyl methyl acetone. All right. So this brings us to the finish of our derived names, how we decide on the derived name. The next topic that we'll be covering is the IUPAC naming, that is according to the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So IUPAC naming. Now here in IUPAC naming, we have to remember that these namings are consisting of three parts. There is word root, there is prefix, and there is suffix. Okay, now prefix and the suffix are further divided into two categories, primary and secondary. So we have secondary prefix, then we have this connected to the primary prefix, which is further connected to the word root, which is again connected to the primary suffix, and lastly we have the secondary suffix. So all of these combined together to give us the IUPAC naming system. All right. Now let us further deal with them.